Yeah, it's Burgerville time. I'm telling you, this is awesome time of the year, right? The holidays are coming, and we need some no-fail barbecue recipes, like burgers, for instance. I mean, how many times has Uncle Harry come to the family picnic, or some guy at the local meetup or whatever, and he's cooking burgers, and he comes out with these well, I I don't know what you call them. These pre-made, formed ground beef patties, right? They come in a package. They look real pretty. Oh, you know about that, but they suck. And the reason why they suck is the way the meat grinders make the grind for these particular burgers, so they stay together tight in the package. They look perfect. Even if you throw them in the back of your pickup truck on the way to the picnic, they still look perfect. Well, that grind sucks. I am telling you, you're going to end up with a dry burger every time. So it's always best, right? It's always best to grind up your own burgers. If you can't do that, of course, get in touch with your butcher. He'll grind some perfect ground beef for you, and then you form the patties with your own God-given hands, right? And make them perfect. Oh, here's our a real famous beer can bacon burgers. You've seen this. We were the originators of the beer can bacon burger. Now it's the most famous burger on the planet. There's a lot of copycats. Some or many of the producers give us a shout out for this original burger we did here. You've got to check it out if you've never had a beer can bacon burger. Oh, they're good. But anyway, we have 120 different burger recipes at the pit. You check them out. Come over to our channel here. Let me see if I can find it. Uh, you can see them listed right here. You'll never be short of another good recipe, and it's going to be a lot better than Uncle Harry's, right? Beer can bacon burgers. So, in fact, let me head over here to the mix. Steak and bacon cheeseburgers, how to smoke bacon mozzarella balls. Those are burgers we turned into, and you gotta you Oh yeah, and there's more news here. All right, we've covered you on the burgers right here. Please check us out. We appreciate your support, but we got other things going on here, right? We now are launching our wholesale distribution of our rubs, and many of you are using our rubs, and we appreciate your support. It helps support our chapters, right? We've got maybe 18,000 chapters in over 100 countries. If you've never heard of us before, I don't know. You're missing something out of your life. But you start a chapter, right? Get your guys together, whoever, and you cook up on the weekends or during the week. We share our recipes on the Face, on YouTube, whatever. But now we're launching our rubs on a wholesale, all right? So we've got a lot of smaller shops and stores around the country and around the world who want to sell our SPG, our Martha's, our poultry powder, our pork privilege, our big Texan rubs are fantastic. We can set you up with that, ship it to you, and you'll get a double pack here, right? Twice as many, so you could put it on your meat counter or whatever. And if you don't have a butcher shop, well, do it for yourself, right? You can give them out as gifts, that kind of stuff. We appreciate your support. And in fact, we have a map of where you can buy these around the country and soon all around the world. So to find these burger recipes, you head on over to our website, right? Or our channel, right? You can get to our website. We have it all listed there. You can also find it on our channel on the tube or also on Face. And you hit your playlist thing. You know how to do that, right? Not a lot of people come into these channels, but if you really want to find all our detailed instructional videos on barbecue and grilling, this is where you want to head. It makes it real easy, right? So, for instance, we're talking about our burger recipes. And here's our whole list, right? Barnyard burger, Oh, that's fantastic. Grilled bacon burgers, you name it. Butter burgers, fantastic. Butter is always good on everything, right? Shrimp and beef burgers. The list goes on and on. You don't have to put up with Uncle Harry's grilling anymore, right? You just come with this and impress everything, your family, your friends, your girlfriend. Hey, maybe your boss too, right? You're looking for a raise? Have them over to the pit, cook them up something good, man. You'll get that promotion you work for. And you might get something from the girlfriend too. You know how you girls are. They're just awesome, right? Oh, I might get in trouble with that one. Anyway, this is just a quick summary of what you can find in terms of burgers at the BBQ Pit Boys. Come on over the first chance you get. Again, we appreciate your support. If you head over to our homepage and to our own website, you can sign up a chapter, right? And you can get some of our products, our rubs, our T-shirts. We'll give you a big shout out and thumbs up for what you guys are doing and the support you've given us for almost 15 years. 15 years, man. And we're still here, and we ain't stopping yet. So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com. BBQ Pit Boys for life.